name is Szot, and I'm a pilot at Beverly Hills Aerials. My job here is so rewarding because we all get to work in a new and growing industry that demands this passion for art and technology, which I think is so unique and challenging. From playing with RC models as a kid to working on the biggest feature films and live sporting events, I've effectively secured my hobby as my career. My favorite drones, I would say, would have to be the Alta X right now, just because it's proven. It's got long flight time, it's easy to move around on set, and it can carry all the cameras that the directors want. A shoot that comes to mind for me, mainly because the drone was the perfect tool for the job. During the scout, the director came to me and said our drone shot was going to be a POV of someone jumping out of a window, so our camera was going to be pointing 90 degrees straight down. And they asked me, how fast can the drone drop? And I said, scary fast if you need it to. And so I had the Alta X dropping at 30 feet a second with a red camera on it, which is definitely alarming. And cool to know that no other camera system can get a shot like that. And at Beverly Hills Aerials, that's just another day at work.